Hello everyone, myself Rangnaik Naik, working as a chemistry faculty in Jnana Gangotri College, associated with Masters Academy, Jamkhandi. Now already question is there. This type of the questions are common in KCET, NEET and IIT. Here what they are given in the question, consider the following E0 values. Already they are given the E0 values. One is positive value and other one is the negative value. Under the standard condition, the potential for the reaction, already reaction they are given. And basically you know that the formula, based on that formula we are going to be calculate the E0. What's that formula? E0 cell equal to E0 reduction minus E0 oxidation, or you can use the formula E0 right hand side minus E0 left hand side, or you can use the formula E0 cathode minus E0 anode, and one more formula E0 positive minus E0 negative. By using any one formula, it's very easy to calculate the E0 cell, but without knowing this formula, we are able to calculate the E0 cell. Okay, one simple trick is there. How we are going to be calculate the E0 cell without using the formula. One simple concept is to be, when same values are there. For example, plus, minus, minus. Simple trick you have to remember. Subtract the value. Subtract the value. Suppose one value is in terms of a positive, another value in terms of a negative. Suppose one value is in terms of a negative, another value in terms of a positive. Two different values are there. One is positive, another is negative. One is negative, another is positive. Then what we have to do? Add the values. Add the values. And one more point you have to remember, E0 cell value always in terms of positive only. I thought it's clear. Okay. Very simple concept ರೀ. E0 cell calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್. ಆ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಅವರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ and their value is negative. One is positive and there is negative. What we have to do? Add the values. You have to add the value. One is what is there here? 0.77. Positive value is there. And then which value is there? Negative value is there. 0.14. What we have to do? Subtraction or addition? Addition. You have to add the value. 7 plus 4, L1. 7 plus 2, 9. 0.91. 0.91 is the what? Exact value of this question. And answer always in terms of positive only. Answer in terms of positive only. Where is the 0.91? C is the whatever correct option. Okay. By using this trick, we can solve any type of the question within a fraction of second. And suppose our both the values are positive. You have to subtract one value in another value. Final answer always in terms of a positive. Suppose one value is negative, another value also in terms of a negative. You have to subtract one value in another value. Final answer in terms of a positive. You remember one more point. Final answer in terms of a positive only. This type of the so many tricks are there. Okay, for that you have to join with us. Thank you.